Books and reading is a common topic in the IELTS speaking test. Today, I'll share some useful phrases and example sentences on this topic. At the end of the video, I'll share questions to practice these phrases, and you can watch sample answers here. The link to the PDF document is in the first comment. 1. Nonfiction books about history and science. Example:
I enjoy reading nonfiction books about history and science to understand how the world has evolved over time.
2. Develop a love for reading from a young age. Example:
Parents should encourage children to develop a love for reading from a young age by introducing them to engaging stories.
3. The feel of holding a book in my hands. Example:
Although ebooks are convenient, I still prefer the feel of holding a book in my hands while reading.
4. Ebooks are convenient to carry. Example:
Ebooks are convenient to carry, making it easy to read while traveling.
5. Gain knowledge and improve my skills. Example:
Reading daily helps me gain knowledge and improve my skills in various subjects.
6. Imagine the characters, settings, and emotions more vividly. Example:
A well-written novel allows me to imagine the characters, settings, and emotions more vividly.
7. Often simplify the plot. Example:
Movie adaptations of books often simplify the plot to fit within a limited runtime.
8. Considered a classic. Example:
Pride and Prejudice is considered a classic in English literature.
9. Engaged with the characters. Example:
I was so engaged with the characters in the novel that I felt their emotions as if they were real people.
10. Seeing the story from one's perspective. Example:
Reading diverse books helps me see the story from different perspectives and understand other viewpoints.
11. Came across it. Example:
I came across this book at a secondhand bookstore and instantly knew I had to read it.
12. Part of our reading list. Example:
1984 by George Orwell was part of our reading list in high school.
13. Incredibly exciting and keeps me hooked. Example:
The mystery novel was incredibly exciting and kept me hooked until the very last page.
14. Reading over and over again. Example:
I love this book so much that I keep reading it over and over again.
15. Fiction, biographies, romance, and thrillers. Example:
My bookshelf is filled with a mix of fiction, biographies, romance, and thrillers.
16. Teach valuable life lessons. Example:
Classic novels often teach valuable life lessons about love, resilience, and morality.
17. Deep into details and emotions. Example:
Great writers take readers deep into details and emotions, making the story feel alive.
18. Critical thinking skills and concentration. Example:
Reading complex literature helps develop critical thinking skills and concentration.
19. Introduce fresh ideas, deep emotions, and new perspectives. Example:
Books introduce fresh ideas, deep emotions, and new perspectives that challenge my way of thinking.
20. Change how we view the world. Example:
A powerful story has the ability to change how we view the world and the people in it.
21. Encourages personal growth. Example,
Reading self-help books encourages personal growth by providing motivation and strategies for success.
22. Teaches the power of understanding. Example,
Literature teaches the power of understanding by showing different human experiences and emotions.
23. Romantic or family-oriented stories. Example,
I enjoy reading romantic or family-oriented stories that explore deep relationships and emotions.
24. Escape into different worlds. Example,
Reading fantasy novels allows me to escape into different worlds full of adventure and magic.
25. Expand my imagination and creativity. Example,
Books with vivid storytelling expand my imagination and creativity.
26. A perfect way to unwind. Example,
After a long day, reading a book is a perfect way to unwind and relax.
27. Discover new perspectives and cultures. Example,
Through books, I can discover new perspectives and cultures without leaving my home.
28. Lose myself in a good story. Example,
When I read an engaging book, I completely lose myself in a good story.
29. Books broaden my horizons. Example,
Reading books from different genres and authors helps broaden my horizons.
30. Stimulate my curiosity and intellect. Example,
Nonfiction books stimulate my curiosity and intellect by introducing new concepts and ideas.
that's the end of the phrases. Now, let's look at some questions about travel and tourism. Try to use the phrases we just covered to answer these questions. Part 1. Do you enjoy reading? How often do you read? What kind of books did you read as a child? Do you prefer reading paper books or ebooks? Are your reading habits now different than before? Have you ever read a novel that has been adapted into a film? Which do you prefer, reading books or watching movies? Do you read more or less now than when you were younger? Do you think ebooks will replace paper books in the future? Part 2. Describe a book you read recently. You should say what the book is, what it is about, why you chose to read it, and explain how you felt about it after reading it. Describe a story or novel you have read that you found interesting. You should say, when you read it, what it was about, who wrote it, and explain why it was interesting. Part 3. What types of books are popular in your country? Do you think people can learn life lessons from reading books? Do you think reading is more beneficial than watching television or movies? How do you think stories and novels can influence people's perspectives on life? Why are some stories more popular than others? Do you believe that reading novels is becoming less popular in today's digital age? Do you think stories or novels can teach people important life lessons? How? Do men and women prefer different types of novels? Why? That's the end of today's video. You can find the link to the sample answer video in the description.